Today we're gonna make seared summer scallops with a lemon herb sauce. To get started on making our scallops, we're gonna use a medium-sized skillet. I have 12 large scallops here that I've rinsed, pat dry, completely dry them because that will help them get nice and brown on each side. So we're gonna do medium to high heat, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna heat that up before we add our scallops. Make sure your skillet's large enough so that you can cook all of them without overcrowding the dish. That's real good here. Scallops are fairly easy to make because you don't have to cook them very long. We're just gonna cook a couple minutes on either side. Brown them. Here we go. And while they're on that side, I'm going to season with a little salt and pepper on either side. So lower the heat. We don't want it too high heat. We'll do like medium. You can already see that they're cooking, so just wait another minute. So we did about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Look at that. It's starting to get nice golden color. I'm gonna flip them. So now we've cooked our scallops. I'm gonna remove them from the pan and I'm gonna leave them set aside right here on this plate. Perfect. And now I'm gonna lower the heat in the same skillet here. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, parsley, some lemon zest, and juice from 1 lemon. And now we're going to take our scallops and add them right back to our butter and herbs. How easy. Now we're just gonna spoon our butter, lemon, and herbs over our scallops, and this dish is ready. So our scallops are ready. We're gonna plate them. A little parsley. And this dish is ready. For this recipe and tons of side dishes for you to serve this with, check out my website, NikkiCollectorStyle.